Stone here once again from Mojoe Outfitters. We're out here obviously in the desert. Check out the little flowers over there. They're the beaver tail cactus is going off. You can see my smoker over there. We're about to smoke some bacon. We got some pork belly here that's been fully cured. And now we've had it out in the sun here, so it's like you know, it's got this like layer of hardness over the top of it. It's perfect for smoking now. So we're gonna take all of this. We got some over here too. We got like 17 pounds of it because it just turns out so well when we do this. Later on, we're gonna make rumaki with home smoked bacon. Rumaki it's real simple. It's a chicken liver, water chestnut, and wrapped in bacon, basically. That's what it is. And we're gonna do that on the Mojoe griddle, and it's gonna be awesome. But this bacon is just so good. Look at that. Check it out. It's beautiful. Anyway, we'll see you a little later. I'm gonna put it into the smoker and we'll get it going. It's gonna go about 4 hours at a low temp, like 175. That is really nice hair for your age.
Thank you.
Taking a break, heading to the Moose Lodge.
What do you do at the Moose Lodge?
You drink.
Oh, for the children?
It's all for the children. Here we go. We can also get our sheds here.
I've already got it. I was vaccinated though.
Okay. Alright, it's time. We've had the pork belly in our smoker here. That's a smoking it smoker for about almost 2.5 hours with hickory wood. So it's time to bring it out. So that's what we're going to do here. So check this out. Oh, it smells so good. So look at this. Oh, baby, look at that. Check that out. Now that's bacon. That is a thing of beauty. And that is going to wrap around my chicken livers. So it's just a full wrap. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Looks sweet and succulent and just delicious. Oh, can't wait. Oh my God, look at that piece. Oh. A little bit of juiciness going on there. It don't get much better. Look at all this. We did 17 pounds, if you can believe it. My buddy brined it all. He spent a week brining it, turning it every day. Oh, look at this. The color. Look at the color. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. So what we're gonna do, take this off. We're gonna let it cool. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator so that when it comes time, we will be able to put it on the slicer and have it sliced nice. There, look at. Okay, so this is insanity right here. This is unbelievable insanity. It's a beautiful world today in the desert. Absolutely gorgeous.
We're going to start slicing some of this bacon that I've been brining for the last 7 days. It's a very simple brine. It's sea salt, curing salt, and they call it Prague #6 salt. And then a little brown sugar, and you just wrap that up in Ziplocs. And after you coat everything, a little bit of pepper too, if you like a little bit of that on there.
Sugar?
Yeah, well, brown sugar. Yeah, brown sugar. And then it creates its own brine in the bag. You get all the air out of it. Eventually, everything's kind of swimming in brine because the salt brings all the moisture out of the bacon. But this stuff, we smoked this for, what, 2 or 3 hours this morning. Got it up to 175 or 150 internal temperature. Smoker was set on 175. So now we're just gonna start slicing this stuff up. We kind of like it thick, so we got the slicer here cut, set at what, probably, I don't know, a little over, yeah, maybe 5/8. So we'll just get it going and slice all these babies up. We kind of like it thick. So that's what you're looking at right there. Oh, we've already had this without even cooking it. I mean, just smoking it, and it is so good we almost ate the whole batch. But we got 17 pounds here.
Okay, we're finally about to make our rumaki. We're gonna wrap it up. Look at this bacon. Oh, this is what we smoked. It's just beautiful. So that's gonna be awesome on there. And oh, by the way, we found this poor little critter, this fella here. He's a little squirrel. His name is Elmer, and he's so cute. He's a little hollow though. Anyway, so it's time. What we got to do, we got Rumaki's really simple. You got your chicken livers, right? You got your water chestnuts. And I opened it upside down. See that? That was kind of dumb. And then you don't normally put jalapenos in, but I was thinking maybe a little heat would be good. I'm gonna try a few with ricotta cheese, just because I can, because we got bacon up the wazoo. All right, so first thing is I got to slice up some chicken livers into chunks that will fit inside a bacon wrap, like that. See, that's perfect right there. Those are good. So we'll do that. I'll just do a couple here. That's kind of a heavy thing. And yeah. So we'll just do a few of these like that. That's enough for now. Okay, so let's start making them. We've got our water chestnuts. I'm gonna get rid of some of that water in there, like that. See, they're nice sliced like that. Love them. Okay, so we'll take a piece of bacon. like that. Nice little chunk of liver. Actually, you put the fat down first because that's like the foundation, and then a little like that, and then I forgot the toothpicks, so we'll come back when I get my toothpick dispenser. All right, check it out. This is like a 1950s toothpick dispenser. Call him Porky the pig, and he's Porky Spiny. Anyway, so we'll start wrapping. So we got wrap the bacon around like that, and then you stab it. Boom, all the way through. You got to get through the water chestnut in there, and there you go. That's it. So we're gonna make a few of those. More here. Piece of liver, a little jalapeno in there. I'm gonna make one with a little dollop of ricotta, just because I can, and then we wrap like so. All the way through. Boom. So we'll wrap these up. Oh, look, that just was an epic fail right there. Anyway, we're gonna wrap up a bunch of these and we'll put them on the Mojoe, heat them, steam them. We're gonna use the heat helmet, and we're gonna have some Rumaki. It's gonna be awesome. My good friend Mojoe Macho came by to help with the Rumaki and also to chop wood. Try again, dude. That was lame.
Restart?
Yeah. No restart.
Yeah, baby.
All right. So that we're gonna cook on the chimney here. Nice. Now, would you set the Mojoe on the chimney for me?
there?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, right there.
Would you do that, please?
Oh, yeah.
It's nice having a macho man, a Mojoe macho man, here to handle all of the physical work. Okay, cool. Now, would you prance
Yeah,
out there a little?
if you want to get the alliteration going. You could call him
Yeah, baby.
Mojoe Macho Money.
Woohoo! Mojoe macho.
All right.
Mojoe's hot. We're gonna clean it. A little bit of salt. This is the typical thing you always see, but this is the way you clean the Mojoe. A little oil, like so. And if you're wearing flats, you got to be way out because the salt is hot. Chicks dig it when I do this. But all right, so then we're gonna take our strap on and put it on here like that, and we'll be right back to you and start cooking our Rumaki. All right, I got my Rumaki. Look at all that. Look at that. I decided I'd put ricotta in just about every one of them. We'll see what happens on that, but oh yeah, baby. Okay, so put those on there like so. This is, again, the home smoked bacon. Mojoe Macho helped me with it. He's a good buddy. Okay, we're gonna do this. And you want to be able to cook the liver inside. So we're gonna use the Mojoe heat helmet to get the heat going on, because it provides heat. Okay, like that. Okay, and then got my Mojoe heat helmet right here, and this is water, but it's a convenient container. So we're just gonna do this, and it's a hot oven, steaming it, cooking it. We'll do that a couple times. come back and then flip everything to make sure that the bacon gets cooked. So, yeah, awesome. All right, we're ready to turn, man. Check this out. Oh, uh-huh. Come on, baby. All right, look at that. Uh-huh, that's what we're looking for right there. The goldenness. Macho is gonna just love this. He's gonna eat it all up. He's always hungry. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. That one just kind of flailed. Yeah. All right. So when these are done, come back, eat it. Mojo, macho, mojo, macho. I love these things.